These appetizers are sure to steal the spotlight at your next awards night gathering. Roll out 1 sheet of puff pastry and spread cream cheese, pesto, and grated Parmesan over the entire surface. Place the second sheet of puff pastry on top and brush with beaten egg. Using a star-shaped cookie cutter in at least 2 different sizes, cut out star shapes. You'll need 2 sizes to assemble the tree shape. Place the stars on a prepared baking sheet and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Let them cool, then assemble the tree, finishing with a halved cherry tomato on top. Spread a wedge of goat cheese on each cracker. Add any dry cured ham of your choice and top with a blackberry inserted in a toothpick. Place a wedge of cheese on each cracker. Create the form of a tuxedo with mini slices of black olives carefully pitted. Then roll the camera, serve these beauties, and enjoy.